Investors rejoiced after the publication of strong economic reports on the United States and China economies, as positive data indicates a stable recovery. At the same time, the stock market continues to rise higher, while risky assets are again winning favor with investors. The US dollar managed to bounce off a two-year low amid yesterday's upbeat data on the US Manufacturing PMI, gaining momentum against its peers. It broke through the resistance level at 92.40, hitting for the level of 93.40. However, analysts are not sure that the US dollar will be able to reach this level, as optimism sparked by strong statistics may soon wane. Besides, long-term investors are more cautious as they factor in the reversion of the Fed strategy on monetary policy. The regulator is likely to keep its benchmark rate near zero, which is bearish for the US currency. The dollar-yen pair is also steaming up amid an upsurge in the US dollar's quote. The pair rose above the level of 106. It's trying to develop a rally. The pair may face a strong resistance near the level of 106.20. If it consolidates above 106.20, it may well rise to 106.62 as its first target and to 207 as its second target. Many technical analysis experts doubt that it will be able to break above. The pair is more likely to reverse downwards, attempting again to test the level of 104.96. The AUD-USD pair was unable to sustain its bullish momentum after rising to multi-year highs. The pair edged lower. Technical analysis indicators signal the resumption of the downward movement. As a result, we can see the triple divergence. Therefore, the pair is likely to decline to the level of 0.7296 and then to 0.7240. Traders are also opening short deals on the pair due to the grim economic report. In the April-June period, Australia's economy posted its worst fall on record, losing 7% on the quarter. On a yearly basis, GDP dropped by 6.3%. The indicators were worse than even the most pessimistic forecast. Investors were rather alarmed by such results, so the AUD-USD pair will continue to fall at least until Friday, when the non-farm payrolls report will be unveiled. That's all for now. We wish you profitable deals. See you on our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.